Very good afternoon to one and all students. Myself Basrani Daksha, your English teacher. For the very first time we are going to meet today. So let me give you my short introduction to you that I'll teach you English. In last session I know Asma teacher has taught you English, but just now you will enjoy with both the teachers, Asma ma'am as well as Daksha teacher. Right? Today we are going to learn poet number 2. Poem number 2, Wind. Here, our poet Pala Subramanya has given us a wild description about the wind. Wind is compared with the present situation, problems of life. You, me, we all are having different kinds of problems in our life, right? No one is there in this world without any problem. Do you think that whatever you will say, the problem will solve it? No, problem is not going to follow you, but you have to follow the problem and you have to come over it, right? So here, by giving the example of wind, our poet has given us that when the wind is coming, we all need wind, right? Bina hawa ka जीवन possible नहीं है. So when the wind will come, we all are frightened. If it is come very fast, if it is blowing, then it will scatter everything. Everything will throw over here and there. Even our houses will be also destroyed. Sometimes we will be also frightened. So it might be possible if the wind is coming, then at that time we all are getting frightened. So wind is not going to follow you. If we'll say that wind, you please today I am not in a proper mood, you come slowly. Will it be possible? No. So wind will come according to his nature only. So we have to build ourselves, we have to build our houses, we have to build the things accordingly, and we have to make friendship with it, and we have to win over it, right? So I have so many students are not having textbook, so I have decided to prepare one PPT for you, so you can easily learn from that. Okay, so we are going to start. uh, Still some students are joining, so first of all, let me give you my short introduction. As we are meeting for the first time, this is myself Basrani Daksha. MA B.Ed will teach you English. Now come to the point, our poem. Poem number 2, The Wind, right? Stanza number 1. In this stanza, I have darkened the words which is hard for you, which is new for you, and also giving its meaning besides. So you will come to know about the matter, right? Here, let's start. Wind, come softly. Wind, come softly. Don't break the shutters of the windows. Don't scatter the papers. Don't throw down the books on the shelf. Here we are requesting, our poet is requesting to wind to come slowly, and don't please break the shutters of the windows. Yani the doors of the windows should not be broken by you. So you please come slowly. Papers are very light in a weight, so don't scatter the papers. And the books are lying very nicely on the shelf of our house, so don't throw them down. There. Look what you did. You threw them all down. You wind, what you have done. The books were lying very nicely and you threw them down. What you have done? You tore the pages of the books because the books fell down. Because of that, tore means tear up. Tore is the past form of tear, right? So you have tore the pages of my books. You brought rain again. If uh, wind is coming very fastly, very strongly, then the wind will also come. In a second stanza, you are very clever at poking fun of weaklings. Here, poke means in this point, normally poke means to make fun of someone, but here poke means push. So you, whenever you find, you means wind. Wind, you are very good. You are very clever at poking fun at weaklings. If you find weak means inable persons. If you are find the things which is very weak, you will directly push them. Frail crumbling houses. Frail bole to weak. Some houses are frail. Huh? Some houses are very good in a look, but they are very weak. So the blow wind will crumble it, crushes it, break it. Crumbling doors. You are crushes the door. Crumbling rafters. Rafters means log of wood which is used in the roof of our houses. So you will also break them. You will crumbling the wood, crumbling the bodies, crumbling the lives, and crumbling the hearts. Okay. So here the poet says that you are crumbling the things which is very light in a weight. You will crumble the wood. Crumble means break down the wood, break down the some bodies of the people. You will break down our lives even. And sometimes if you see the wind is coming very fastly, will also frighten, right? So the wind go winnows and crushes them all. So wind whenever it is coming, it what it is doing, it is coming towards us and it is crushes the things which is very big in a way. Now in the next stanza, stanza number 3, he won't do what you tell him. So come, let's build strong houses. If we will say that wind, you please come slowly, you please don't do this, and the wind is not going to follow you. So he will not, wind will not do what you will tell him. So come, let's build strong homes. If wind is not going to do according to us, then we will give fight to the wind. We will build now strong houses. Let's join the doors firmly. Sometime in a last stanza it is said na, that the wind is crumbling our houses, our doors. Now we will make it very firm. Practice firm the body. We will practice our body to give more firm. We will not fear with any fast wind. Make the heart steadfast. Steadfast bole to unmoved. So we have to make our hearts also strong. We should not have any fear. Do this and the wind will be your friend. Right? Now, in a last stanza of the poem, it is said that the wind blows out the weak fires. He makes strong fire roar and furious. There are two types of fire, right? In our birthday candle, it is very easy to blow it, na? So we will just do and it will be blows out. He makes strong fire to roar and furious. But if there is a big fire in a house or in some factories or somewhere else in the roadway, then if the wind will come, then the fire will be roaring. It will flourish. यानी और ज़्यादा develop हो जाएगी. His friendship is good. Means according to first line of fourth stanza, uh, small fire is good, so we can do friendship with the wind. We praise him every day. In short, the poet wants to say that the wind is not going to follow you, right? Wind is not going to do the work according to you. So you have to do yourself a work according to the wind. Here, what is the theme? What is the central idea of the poem? What is the moral of the poem? The poet wants to say that the wind in this poem symbolizes the real life problems. The problem like corona. How can we forget corona? You will say that corona, you go away. Now we are fed up. Will it be possible that corona will leave you? You go in another city. You don't stay here in Surat. Will it be possible? No. He will come if you are not taking proper care. He will come to your house. He will come to you even. Right? So what you have to do, you have to strengthen yourself. You have to take care of yourself and you have to give fight to the corona. This is the only way we can solve the problems having in our life, right? So many students are having lots of problems. So many people are having lots of problems in the life. So we have to fight against it and we have to take win over it. We have to make friendship with it. This is the uh, central idea of the poem. This is the end of our poem. I hope it is clear with you all, right, girls? If yes, then again, please raise your hands, girls, if it is clear. This is the very simple and easy poem. Very good, Astha, Rajvi. They are giving me response. Yes, Misbah, got it, beta. So it is very good that we have. See, I know that now in some students are having network problems. Some students are having mobile problems, application problems. Some are not getting new teachers, right? But nowadays we are not having other option except Zoom. हमारे पास ये Zoom इकलौता option है फिलहाल. Our government is trying to give you best. Okay, and our principal ma'am is also working hard to make you uh, happy with the education, right? So sometimes if you are not getting somewhere, don't get panic. We are definitely going to meet in a future. So at that time we will solve it. Okay. So dear students, if you are having any confusion, I will send you the link of the poem. Just go through it once again. I have given you home task, 3 questions that you have to write in your fair book. Now there is no issue that in what we have to write, because now bookstores are open. So you can purchase English notebook, and whatever work Asma ma'am and Daksha teacher is giving, that you have to write in English notebook only. So we are not going to have lots of work in school days. We just now only we will complete our work. Okay, so just go to the poem. I will send you the important points from your reference book only. Full marks, golden, silver, whatever you are having, you can go through it. And if not, I have given you proper idea about the poem. Just write down the answers and be ready with the poem. Okay, you take a very good care of yourself, because you are the very good girls. So take care of your family, your mama, daddy, your brothers, sisters. सबकी अच्छे से care करो. अपने आप का ध्यान रखो. This is the problem that we have to face. Like wind, we have to strengthen ourselves. Okay, so be strong and fight against the corona. And we are definitely going to meet very soon. Okay, have a nice day. Stay home. Stay safe. Bye.